that's the way it should go.
What time is coming on?
You got 33? Got it? You tubing it?
I got it. In fact, this might be better footage than what I had before. So I should introduce the makers of the fire now.
He's the main man.
All
My
right,
little brother, the makers of the fire.
makers of the
I'm
fire.
Bo. I'm Bo. This is Brian. That's Hulk.
All right,
We're the makers of the fire.
you guys did a really nice job.
Thank you.
And
Thank
there's
you.
David.
Everything they know.
I gave him all the beer to see that.
Wow. Oh, this is the light's really nice now.